everybody? Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have a 427 Windsor. It's a 575 package. Just got done making a little over 580, and she makes good torque as always. Going into an 84 Mustang. That's going to be one sweet setup. And I got the black CVF kit on here, the black Ford Racing valve covers, the dark block, the Edelbrock air gap intake on here. Got the Sniper and the dual sync. Got it all tuned up, tuned in and everything, and runs great. If you have any questions about our amazing packages, do not hesitate to give us a call. We are here to help. 1-800-267-3940.